Solve dy by dx is equals to sine of x plus y plus cos of x plus y. So we know solving a differential equation means removing the derivatives from the equation and finding out the solution for the given differential equation. So before solving any differential equations, we have to identify the differential equation is in which form. So if you observe here, the differential equation can be brought to variable separables form, and we'll follow the method to solve the differential equations. So we follow the variable separables form, means if the equation is in the variable separable form, we have some method, so we'll follow that method to solve that given differential equation. So anyway here, if you put x plus y is equals to v, so that if you differentiate this here, you will get 1 here plus dy by dx is equals to dv by dx, and you can write this dy by dx as dv by dx minus 1, so sending this one this side. And when you just replace this dy by dx and x plus y values, so the given differential equation can be written as, in the place of dy by dx we can write dv by dx minus 1, and in the place of x plus y we are writing v, so we can write sin v plus cos v, and sending this one this side right side, so we can write dv by dx is equals to 1 plus sin v plus cos v, or 1 plus cos v plus sin v. Just rearranging the terms here and separating the variables, so writing the v terms and x terms on one side, so we can write dv by 1 plus cos v plus sin v is equals to dx. And to get the solution, just we are integrating on the both sides and adding arbitrary constant to the right side here. And so when you integrate here, just if you see the right side, integration of dx is x and plus c is there, and you can write this 1 plus cos v as 2 cos square p by 2. So we know 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2, like that. You can write this formula, and you can write sin theta as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. From that you can write sin v as 2 sin v by 2 cos v by 2, and x plus c this side. And just we are simplifying further here, writing the first term as it is, and multiplying and dividing the second term with cos v by 2 here to simplify further. And just we know cos v by 2 into cos v by 2 cos square v by 2, and sin v by 2 by cos v by 2, and just rearranging the terms, the second term, just writing this cos square v by 2 first, and this sin v by 2 cos v by 2 we can write it as tan v by 2, and the right side explicitly as it is. And once again, if you see these two terms, you can take out 2 cos square v by 2 as common, so you can write 1 plus tan v by 2 is the remaining. And if you see, you can send this 2 and cos square v by 2, if you send this is 1, it is 1 by 2, 2 to the numerator, it is 1 by 2, and we know 1 by cos square v by 2 we can write it as secant square v by 2, and in the denominator we'll have 1 plus tan v by 2 dv x plus c on the right side as it is. So for this, the integration, the answer for this integration of this term will be log of 1 plus tan v by 2. So how means, we know integration of f dash x by f of x dx as log of f of x. So if you take this as f of x or f of v, so it is f dash v. So, and its answer is log of f of v. So log of 1 plus tan v by 2 is the answer for this integration of this term. So if you see, this is if you take as f of v, so it will become f dash v. 1 by 2 means 1 plus tan v by 2 as f of v, it is 1, its a differentiation is 1 by 2 secant square v by 2. So just we can see here, we are taking this 1 plus tan v by 2 is f of v, and for this differentiation, if we find out differentiation of 1 is nothing but constant is 0, and divide d by dv of tan v by 2. So we know d by dx of tan x is secant square x, or d by d theta of tan theta is secant square theta, like that. D by dv of for tan v by 2 as secant square v by 2, but in the place of theta or x, or in the place of this term we have v by 2. So once again, if you write d by dv of v by 2, so 1 by 2 is constant, so you can write outside, so it is d by dv of v, so there is nothing but 1. So you can write the final answer as 1 by 2 secant square v by 2. So this is differentiation of this term. So if you assume this is f of v, it is f dash v. So for that, for which the answer is log of f of v, that is log of 1 plus tan v by 2 is left side, and it is x plus c on the right side. And if you write in the place of v x plus y, we have assumed initially x plus y is equals to v. So replacing this v by x plus y. So the final answer here is log of 1 plus tan x plus y by 2 is equals to x plus c. So this is the solution for this given differential equation. So for more videos, please subscribe and activate the bell symbol, and also please share my videos with your friends. Thanks for watching.